news, mga word military news updates. For credible updates on purchases made by the Philippine Air Force or military, visit the official Facebook pages of the Department of National Defense and the Philippine Air Force, or visit their official websites. Bumili ang PAF Philippine Air Force ng 6 na Bell AH-1Z Viper at Boeing AH-64E Apache helicopter. The world is shocked. Inaprubahan ng US State Department ang foreign military sales ng 6 na Bell AH-1Z Viper at 6 na Boeing AH-64E Apache Guardian attack helicopter sa Pilipinas. Ang pag-apruba para sa pagkuha ng parehong platform ay naaprubahan, ngunit isang uri lamang ang pipiliin ng Pilipinas sa kampanya nito upang gawing moderno ang attack helicopter fleet nito at ang mga nauugnay na kakayahan nito. The US State Department approved the sale of 6 Bell AH-1Z Vipers and 6 Boeing AH-64E Apache Guardian attack helicopters under its foreign military sales to the Philippines. The offer of both platforms was approved, but the Philippines is choosing only one type for its attack helicopter fleet modernization campaign and related capabilities.